What exactly is a pip? You may have come across terms like pips, points, pipettes, and lots, and now we'll clarify their meanings and demonstrate how their values are calculated. Understanding this information is essential for all Forex traders, so take your time to grasp it fully. It's crucial to feel comfortable with pip values and the calculation of profit and loss before engaging in trading. A pip refers to the unit of measurement used to express the change in value between two currencies. Let's take an example. If the euro or USD pair moves from 1.1050 to 1.1051, the increase in value of 0.0001 USD represents 1 pip. Typically, a pip is the last decimal place in a price quote. Most currency pairs are quoted to 4 decimal places, although there are exceptions like Japanese yen pairs, which are quoted to 2 decimal places. For instance, the pip value for EUR or USD is 0.0001, while for USD or JPY, it is 0.01.